on the border.
So we are currently in the middle of New South Wales and Victoria, which are the two of many states. Two of many states in Australia, and we're in the middle. Welcome to Victoria. Welcome to. That's amazing, isn't it? Don't even ask what's going on with this. I've got ringlets. Look at that.
It's the humidity.
How long have you been driving now?
About 3 hours.
3 hours? Welcome to New South Wales. So yeah, we are in a different state now. So, a little update, we are in a place called Eden. We didn't really film yesterday because it was really rainy, really cloudy, and now all of a sudden there's not a cloud in the sky today. It's really weird, it goes from like one extreme to another. Like, it was really cold last night, whereas a couple of nights before it was crazy hot. But anyway, I just thought I would show you where we are with the drone. Because we've got to leave in about 20 minutes. So I just wanted to show you guys like how close we are from our campsite to the sea, which is shark infested. And also I'm going to show you the pool as well, because the pool it was awesome, massive and deep. So yeah, check this out.
Has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So we're driving 2.5 hours now to somewhere near Canberra on the coast, and it's a really nice day out.
This knife has a straight edge on it, so it's very easy. And maybe in our world here, there lives a happy little mountain. Very easy. Maybe in our world here, there lives a happy little mountain. Very easy. Maybe in our world here, there lives a happy little mountain.
a new location. We're here in Canberra, specifically at the War Memorial place, and it has an amazing view. If you just turn, look at that. Boop. And what are we doing today?
We're just gonna take in a bit of culture, I think.
We're at the we're at Canberra. We're at Canberra and we're going to carry on exploring. We'll film anything that we think is interesting. Canberra is the capital of Australia, and now we're going to get back in the camper and drive over there.
Yeah.
And then what?
I don't really know.
So we've been driving for a very long time. Today we were in Canberra, now we are at a rest stop area just near Jervis Bay. Jervis Bay with an E.
Which is where we wanted to go. But it's a Friday night and there were no campsites available unless you wanted to pay ridiculous money, and it's past the opening hours of most places, so you have to go through the whole faff of doing like a late check-in and they... Any hoodles.
We're now at the rest stop and...
At the side of a road.
At the side of a road, yeah, but if you look behind us here, there's a load of kangaroo. There's about 10 over there?
There's loads.
About 10 kangaroo. Let me see if I can get a...
Family.
Can I get a close-up? Good morning. Is another day in Australia. We're here at some rest stop. I can't remember the name of the road, but it's a rest stop. It's been our first camping on the side of the road. If you look out the window, yeah, just a road. That's the highway. We camped out with all the noises and cars going past, and today we're going to another campsite. Chloe, remind me the name of the campsite?
Sussex Palms or something.
Sussex Palms.
It's in the Sussex Inlet.
Okay.
Near Jervis.
So we're going to a new place today, more importantly to a place called Jervis Bay, which is supposedly really nice, isn't it, Chloe? With white sandy beaches and...
Supposed to be beautiful.
Dolphins and kangaroos. So we're gonna hit the road now, and it's only like what, 10 minutes down the road?
Yeah.
So yeah, let's go and do that now. So we're here in Jervis Bay and we've just booked 2 tickets to do a dolphin cruise just over here behind me, and it's about an hour and a half cruise just over there to go and see all the dolphins swimming in the water. So, ready? Let's go. So we're back at the camper van. We've just picked up some Dominoes, which is $5 each right now. What the hell? This is so confusing. 5 Australian dollars for a large pizza, Dominoes. So yeah, we just got back from the cruise, and weirdest thing happened. We were just about to board onto this little cruise boat thing, and apparently we were getting on the wrong thing. So
we were told the wrong thing.
Yeah. So there's 2 places where you can buy tickets for this cruise. One is on like the street in their own little shop thing, and the other is at this little booth right next to where you get on. And we got the tickets from what seemed like a bar manager or a restaurant manager who clearly didn't really know what he was doing. Gave us these tickets they were $35 each.
For a dolphin cruise.
For a dolphin cruise, yeah. So we buy these $35 tickets, and we wait like everybody else to get on this little cruise. Turns out we were on the wrong thing, but luckily there was at least 4 spaces left, so we got onto this cruise, which actually costed $75 each. And it was a 2-hour cruise as opposed to a 1.5-hour cruise. Anyway, it took us to see the dolphins, but we didn't stay at the dolphins for for long. But we got a few clips, and then it went on to do like a whole circumnavigation of Jervis Bay in the rough sea, and then we looked at all the rocks and everything. It was pretty cool. The guy sold us tickets thinking it was for something else, and we actually got on. We were upgraded to this passage cruise, which takes us all the way around the bay, and we went past the dolphin cruise that we were supposed to be on, which looked like it just lingered around the dolphins. I think I'd prefer to go on that, to be honest.
I would have preferred to go on that too.
Because this was just like a cruise around the whole bay, which, it was pretty rough, got quite wet, and there wasn't really much to see, but like all the rocks and stuff. We got upgraded to something which was a little bit boring, but we did get to see the dolphins.
And we were supposed to have paid $75 bloody.
Yeah, major upgrade, but yet it wasn't that amazing. But the upside is that we've got pizza for dinner for $5, which is crazy.
Crazy.
So, swings and roundabouts.
This would be £15 at home.
Yeah. We're going to enjoy this, and then we're going to go to our new campsite, which is called
Sussex Palms.
Sussex Palms. So, we're going to eat this and go there.